Do you want to design and schedule Instagram posts using Tailwind Create? You can easily design and schedule beautiful looking Instagram posts using Tailwind Create. It makes designer quality pins quickly and allows you to streamline and optimize all of your Pinterest marketing better than ever before. Hello friends, I am Roshan Parihar from tutorialdeep.com, and in this video you will learn step-by-step process on how Tailwind create and schedule Instagram posts. So let's get started. Tailwind Create is the best tool that can help you easily create Instagram posts and Facebook posts as well as pins. If you want to grow your audience on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest, you can use Tailwind Create to create high quality posts quickly. I am an affiliate partner of Tailwind and I was compensated to create this video. You have to follow 6 easy steps to create and schedule Instagram posts using Tailwind Create. Here are the 6 steps that you have to follow. The first step is to create an account with Tailwind. First of all, open the Tailwind home page to start a free account. You can find the link in the description given below this video to go to the Tailwind home page. On the Tailwind home page, you can start your free account either by clicking on the sign up with Pinterest button or by clicking on the sign up with Instagram. You can choose your preferred choice to create your free account. After you create an account with Tailwind, you will be taken to the Tailwind dashboard. The second step is to go to Tailwind Create to start creating design. To visit the Tailwind Create, you need to look for the paintbrush icon in your Tailwind dashboard and click on it. When you take your mouse to the paintbrush icon with text beta, it displays a text showing that it is Tailwind Create. When you click on it, you will be taken to the Tailwind Create page. This is the Tailwind Create page. The third step is to personalize your design with your brand. On the Tailwind Create page, click the Brand Settings tab. Now you can set your branding for the designs each time you create with Tailwind Create. It is a one-time step to set your logo, font, and color palettes. And Tailwind Create automatically applies your brand style to every design you create. Enter your brand name, select your font. You can type here to search the font. After selecting the font, select a color. Upload your brand logo to use with every design. After that, click the Save and Continue button to save the personalized settings. After completing the settings for your brand, you can start creating beautiful post designs with Tailwind Create that contains your branding. Step 4 is to fill detail to create designs. Now go to Design Gallery tab. Click on the Design Gallery tab. On the design creation page, you need to enter the URL of your website post to fetch the title and post images automatically. Enter the URL of the post here. After you enter the URL of the post, you will get all the post images and the title of the post automatically here. is the title, and these are the post images fetched automatically. You can select these images. If you want more photos, you can search on the stock photos tab. On the stock photos tab, enter the search term and press enter button. You will get all the free images here to select. Just click on it. You can click any of the images here to select for the post. You will get your selected images here. If you want other images from your computer system, you can also choose to upload images. Just click on it. You can upload photos by clicking on here. Fifth step is to select your preferred design. You will get hundreds of beautiful designs from which you have to select your preferred designs. It also contains separate drop-downs like post types, photo count, and categories to filter your designs. Now select a design of your choice by clicking on the plus select button given under the design as showing with each feed post. You can also edit the design by clicking on the edit button given with its designs. After clicking on the design, it shows that the design is selected. You can select multiple designs to choose the best choice in the next step. When you have completed selecting a choice of your design, click the review button to review your selected choices. On the review page, you can click the selected button in the design that you don't want to keep selected for the post. Now it shows a single design it will keep for the post. Click on the Go Schedule button to save all your posts in draft. Sixth step is to schedule your design on Instagram and Facebook. To schedule your created post, you have to click on the saved post. After you click on the post, you will get various options to enter caption and text. You can enter caption here. This is the caption. You have to enter your caption here. And select a tag of your choice. You can also enter a caption and tag here. This is the caption and tags of your choice to display to your audience on social media. Now scroll down the page and click the checkbox given with Facebook. You will get a pop-up where you have to enter the same caption and tags that you have entered above. Click on this Update Facebook Post button. Furthermore, click the Schedule button to set a time to post your design to social media. Now the post has successfully set for to post on social media. That's all. Congratulations, you have successfully created a design and post the content on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest using Tailwind Create. Why you should use Tailwind Create to make social media posts for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. There are many reasons behind that, and few top of them are high quality designs. It creates high quality designs that look beautiful and more attractive to the audience. You can easily create hundreds of beautiful designs and choose your preferred one to share with your audience. The second reason is save time on design creation. Time is more valuable when you are running a business online. Tailwind Create helps you save time and effort to create designs for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. It can create many designs in just a single click. Third reason is optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. All the designs are created according to the need of sites for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Every part of the design made from Tailwind Create are well optimized to display according to the social media platforms. Fourth reason is grow your audience and traffic. High quality designs helps you generate more audience that can be your future customers. Designs look beautiful and attract more clicks to increase your website traffic. It helps you to build more audience from social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. The last reason is create branding online. Sharing high quality content online helps your business make branding online. People trust more on your business and love your content. You can easily grow your business more and become a brand online. So are you ready for a whole new way to create standout, scrolling stopping designs for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest? Let's Tailwind Create help you design beautiful posts, stories, and pins in seconds. Just use the link to the Tailwind homepage given in the description below this video and start your free account today. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorial videos